Okay, then. That's one. If you multiply the mole here, so that mole will be equal to 0.001 mole. Same for that one. If you do this one, okay, you calculate the mole, will be the 0.001. That's why and the value can be changed, but by using the same mole. So if I using the same mode later on when I plot the graph, right, when I plot the graph, so I may have the graph, they are going for the maximum line, something like that. Because the same, so the total volume of gas collected will be the same, the maximum. Okay. Right, we continue on this connection again. For tabulation of data, then maybe you just okay, maybe time here. Second, right? So you can say the reading of direct. So basically, you need to put CNQ and volume of gas. So if you don't want to put the reading of pure, it's up to you lah. Right? And next say this one 0. Right? The pure is 50 man. Nothing gas is collected. So 0. Sorry, you don't have to put any value. Okay. This part, the reading, you don't have to put up for sure for the first one, the 50, right? Then this one, I say every 30 months. This one you can put up if you want 60, 90, 120, 150, 150, 210. That's it. That. Okay, something like this. Okay. So I don't think we have to draw the graph. That's it. Okay. So right now, while we are waiting for you to complete the thing, so I will upload the past year question for you in the checkbox there. So you may print it out or whatever you want to do is on the PDF document. upload already. You guys can check in the chat box that who have it, and then if your friends don't have it, you ask your friends how to get it. Okay, some of you guys couldn't get the file. I don't know why. Okay, this is all the answer you have. Okay, so I give you 3 more minutes. So 8:20 we will discuss the paper 2. I already uploaded in the chat box. 如果你没有 you ask your friends who already received, and then ask them to send to you. You know, check it. Oh, wait. Okay. 2 more minutes. One last minute. Okay, if you want the upper part of the screen, then I'll scroll for you. So, and then these questions I sent to you yesterday, right? So this is the upper part. Yeah, this will be the format when you do questions 3, especially the question 17 marks one. 对，一定要好像做到你们的背干这样子的。Okay, this will be the question. Okay, so right now 8:20, we are going to discuss that particular paper. But if you have printer, you can print out. I already sent the chat box. If you don't have, you ask your friend. 本身你有收到了没有？哎呀，死了，我到底。哎，哦，这个是吗？本身我是 send 你们这个哦。哎，我不是 send 你们这个啊。
哦，
谁的？
是。哎，看错了。
Yes 啊。你手动不完。Yes 啊，this one 啊。Okay, guys, give me your answer So we should option first. Okay, they say this table below shows the positive and negative ions, right? So they give positive and then they give us the negative, right? Okay, so this is partial questions are the front part. Okay, then the question asks us, what is another name given for the positive charge ion? Okay, 你家里没有 printer, then you can straight away use the app 来写答案了。Okay, like in the check box, please. What is another name for the positively charged ion? Thank you. 其他人有没有猜过 ？No responder 只有一个吧。哎，你们毕业了都知道吗？不要勉强。来上课6分的哦。Okay, so another terms, another name, right? So 对了，答案是 cat ion. Right, cat ion. 所以 negative charge 疑问 this is the n ion. So this is the n ion. That's it. 1 mark. Okay, alright, like answer please. Disconnection again. 我没有收到你的东西，你没有收到我的东西，你去问你的朋友，去跟伟生拿。check box 了，你要么10来。有些人是收不到的，不懂为什么。Okay, guys, answer please. What is the chemical formula? Sodium sulfate, lead 2 nitrate. Okay, thank you. For one of the answer, in the exam, you should write this one out. Sodium sulfate equals to Na2SO4 and mention flow. But if don't mention it, okay lah. Common sentence should be. Okay. Then lead 2 sulfate. EV bracket and 3 to this. Okay. So don't look down on this kind of questions that they really will ask. Okay, then next question. So this is different from IGCSE. Okay. How to test the nitric ions? Okay, outline. Outline means you can write out the steps. How you can carry out the experiment to identify the nitric ion in the salt. Okay, 就是讲它要 test NO3. How to test the NO3 minus ion. If you have the answer, you can give me in the chat box. 不是啦，不要乱来。This is different from what we learned in the IGCSE. Okay, so if you have the answer, you try to give me. 平均 aluminum foil 这个是IG 的，我觉得这个是不能用的，在 SPM。So this one should be using ground ring test. Ground ring test is a new for you guys. OK， 你不可以写 IGCSE 的或这一个。Okay, so anyone, you know the answer? Give me. Very good. So I saw the default answer already from your friends. Okay, so that's will be the last step. Okay, next one. Okay, 2 cm³ of test solutions is poured. The test solution means what? 2 cm³ of nitric solution if you want. Nitric solutions is poured into a test tube. Okay, this is called Browning test. And you can say equal amount. Okay, sorry. 我不改你几次。Sorry. Right, this is a step for Browning test. It's a new thing for some of you guys. Okay, to test nitric ion, you have to use Browning test. Okay, so this will be the Browning test. So 我们改一改，这边 test solution 你可以讲是 solution or into a test tube. Okay, so which means 一开始你把2 cm³ 的一个东西烧罢了。Okay, you pour into a test tube. Okay, cm³ 你倒下去。Then what you do is follow by equal volume 也是打2 cm³ 的 H2SO4. Must be used the dilute first. Must have the term dilute first. Followed by equal volume. 就是 if you use 5 cm³, then you use 5 cm³. Basically 我们有很少的2 cm will be enough. Okay, so if you want to make a sentence, make two different sentences, then you just put the full stop here. Then add equal volume of dilute sulfuric acid. Okay. Followed by first iron 2 sulfate solution. OK， 然后这个yes 是加那个 concentrated sulfuric acid, but you have to be careful. After that, few drops of concentrated must be concentrated. If you mention okay, sulfuric acid. So it's added slowly at the edge of the test tube. Okay, so the step is first step you have to add dilute sulfuric acid first. Because that fixes out the. Then followed by this iron 2 sulfate. Then followed by concentrated sulfuric acid. Then what do you mean? The dilute sulfuric acid and FeSO4 你可以直接加下去。But when you add this concentrated one, you have to from the edge here, 那个边缘这边 you add at the edge of the test tube there, let it 慢慢 move down. 给它慢慢滴下去，是靠在那个边缘那一边，给它这样子滑下去。Okay, then do not shake it. So if you want a better answer, you can say this one part. Shake the mixture. Shake the mixture. If you want a better answer, shake the mixture. Then 你加了 concentrated sulfuric acid, you cannot shake the mixture anymore. After you add a concentrated. Okay, so because once you done with this one, after you added the concentrated sulfuric acid, okay, then they will have one layer layer of two colorless solution. 还有一个 brown layer in between two colorless solution. Let's say, okay, that's it. Okay, so this will be our brown ring test. Measurement. Okay, a brown ring is formed between two color solution. 或者是你可以用那个brown ring is formed in the middle of the 那个 solution, the mixture 也可以。Right, or that's what if you want to add. 一定要写啊 ，a brown ring is formed in the middle of the mixture, for example, or in the middle of the solution. Or we can say it's mixture. That's it. Okay, so this is called brown ring test. You have to follow the sequence there. Okay, if you have any problems, let me know. So if you don't have any problem, you just type OK in the checkbox and we will pause it. Okay, I repeat once again. You add dilute sulfuric acid first for testing NO3 minus 1. Then you add NeSO4. Then you shake the mixture. Then you add concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, this one suppose you can do in the lab. For those you are under Mr. Lam classes, I think you did this experiment already in senior one. I think so. Because Mr. Lam 给你们做的是 SPM 的 test. Right, the brown ring is at the middle. So if you shake the brown ring, right, it will disappear. Right? So that's why after you add the concentrator, you can shake it. OK， 现在只有一个人好了，其他人在做梦，还在 present， 还是在找题目，那题目也不是很长啊。Okay 了 so I proceed on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, like guys, give me the balance equation for this one. Now, sodium sulfate and lead 2 nitrate. You already have mechanical formula, right? Now, so right now, do this one. Okay, apply that. All done. Okay, very good answer. So in here, 2 marks. Maybe if you want, you can add the physical state. Right? Okay, this is the insoluble salt. And then they say this is precipitation, right? What precipitation is for? So if you can, so you add it. Sometimes then, if you want physical state, why? Because balancing, they give you 1 mark for the balancing. Because here you already put 2 then for the balancing. So if you want to secure your answer, you put the physical state. So this one same with your IGCSE one. Yeah, that is one. So just put that. Okay. Good. Describe the chemical equation in C1. My typo error. This should be D1. Okay, you change a little. You change for me. This is D1. Okay, change to D1 for me. So What is that? Okay, describe the chemical equation. Don't think too complicated answer. 1 mark only. Anyone give me the answer? Give me your answer in the chat box, please. Okay，伟生翻一翻 SPM 的 terms，SPM 不是用这个 term， 它这个是 displace 咩？是 displace 啊，应该这个会比较好。Okay, any more? Any more answer from you guys?
Stop the composition.
Uh, 文总啊，你那个我不觉得是这个答案啊。Okay. Yeah, majority of you guys okay 啦。So if I will write this answer 啦。It is a because 一个嘛，错了嘛。That's one is okay. Alright. 这个很接受。One more of react with one more of 这个 to form
Wow.
one more of 这个 and two more of. Okay. Or you can say lah, you can it is a double decomposition reactions. And the question asks us to name the white precipitate. Okay, so the precipitate will be lactose sulfate. Use the SPM spelling. Alright, I give you 30 seconds for this part. Then we will proceed. Okay, so for this part, maybe the new thing for you guys will be the Browning test now for some of you guys. Okay, 时间到了，5、4、3、2、1。Okay, so we continue. Okay, like this part, calculate the mole. Anyone? Answer very simple one. Mole for this one. One mark only. What is the mole for this one? 你这样早进来做什么？还没有上课。Okay, thank you. 0.05. Okay, 0.05. Okay, and what is the mass? So compare the equations, no? Correct. So if not mistaken, it's 1 mole to 1 mole, right? Just now. So why they put 2 marks for you? So you have to mention in your SPM, or else you will let off 1 mark. Sorry, click the okay. So I know some of your guys very good in math, right? Just now the chemical equation here. So we are using PE bracket and O3 where copy 回那个平常给我的 answer first. So a lot of students like they will not write this one. The step 2, which I always mention. You can see from the equation here. So you have to write this statement as well from equations. 1 mole or let's say Na2SO4 producing 1 mole of PnO4. You have to mention one, even though it's very rubbish. Or else select open mark, therefore 0.005 mole the Na2SO4 equals to 0.005 mole. If you straight away use 0.05 mole for calculations to calculate the mass, maybe they will be lack of 1 mark. The examiner will judge you 你讲来的这个 SO4 的 mole。OK， 你有这样子 equalize then the examiner will know from the balance equation you equalize and you get it. So you find the mass right over the RMM.